Welcome to Basic Vocabulary class. In today's video, we'll understand
Basic action verbs. Everyday action verbs.
action verbs for cooking,
Hand and fingers actions.
words and their opposites.
Injuries vocabulary.
Basic action verbs. Eat, drink, read, draw, stretch, clean, water, run, jump, speak, sing, walk, throw, push, sleep, listen, ride, share, help, and smile.
Everyday action verbs. Fold, bandage, crack, crumple, ring, stretch, brush, squash, spill, roll, wipe, press, nail, squeeze, pour.
Action verbs for cooking: mash, crush, mix, slice, stir, serve, bake, boil, fry.
Hand and fingers actions. Snap, flick, pinch, squeeze, grip, grab, tap, pat, poke.
Words and their opposites: lock, unlock, load, unload, fold, unfold, wrap, unwrap, roll, unroll, box, unbox.
Injuries vocabulary. Fracture, strain, sprain, laceration, abrasion, bruise, burn, incision, puncture.